Hello there. Still no sign of any cold weather to speak of anywhere near the British Isles, nor come to that across the United States. Now, at this time of year, of course, overnight the temperature should dip well below freezing, or even close to freezing as far as the southwest of France is concerned. Well, last night temperatures stayed well up, 15 degrees at the lowest in Biarritz. That's almost like the middle of the afternoon, or spring-like afternoon, as you can see. Pretty high temperatures everywhere. And by day, Strasbourg 16 degrees, and southern Germany up to 19 degrees, just like late spring. Hardly surprising with the winds coming in from the southwest. It does look as if it's going to stay unsettled though in many places. That little area of low pressure is interesting. It develops and then slips away, high pressure for a time, and then another one develops and slips away. So that's good news for some people. And I'm meaning by that the skiers, because both those areas of low pressure will produce some snow over the Alps. But for central and northern parts, extremely mild for the time of year, but very unsettled, often windy with outbreaks of rain, and that little area of low pressure giving some showers in the Mediterranean too. Just look at the temperatures here. Admittedly, it's in the Mediterranean, but still unseasonably warm for the time of year, and pretty warm and sunny too in the Canary Islands. Now back to the British Isles, we have low pressure, lots of isobars, so it's windy and often wet. Those winds are going to be pretty strong in the next few days, but you can see from the shading of the arrows, green, sometimes orange, coming in from the west and the southwest, that it is going to stay mild. The cold blue arrows are held well back here, up around Iceland and way back in the Arctic. Now, we have had some rain around. We're going to continue to have outbreaks of showery rain during the night. That rain eases off, the showers die away during the day, and then we're looking to another band of rain that's going to come in late overnight and into Thursday. So for the rest of the night, showers, more particularly near western and southern coast, but some feeding further inland, and some more general outbreaks of rain working their way across to Scotland. In the east of Scotland, though, where skies are staying clearest longest and the winds are lighter, so just about a touch of frost, otherwise temperatures above freezing. Now for western Scotland through down into northern England, a fair amount of clouds, some showers or longer outbreaks of rain. One or two showers developing in other parts of the country too. They'll probably peak sort of during the course of the morning, early part of the afternoon, and then tend to fade away, and the more general cloud and bits and pieces of rain probably working their way across to eastern Scotland before they too fade out of the way. So the best of the sunshine in the latter part of the day. Quite a stiff breeze though, making it feel somewhat cooler than of late, 8 or 9 degrees. Touch of frost though coming up during the night. We haven't seen that for a long time. And then another active weather system coming in on Thursday. So although the day starts off bright and perhaps frosty, it isn't going to be long before much milder weather comes sweeping in, bringing with it strong winds and heavy rain. And then on Friday, more of the same really. We get rid of one weather system, so again it may well start bright, yet more wet and windy weather sweeping in from the Atlantic. That particular front out of the way during the course of Saturday, leaving behind strong winds and some pretty heavy and blustery showers. A very good night to you.
24 hours a day.
The Enron scandal today claimed its first British casualty, Lord Wakeham.
As it breaks.
A night of terror in the suburbs of Lagos.
Whenever it breaks.
Hamid Karzai has held talks with Tony Blair in Downing Street.
BBC News 24, the digital TV channel for breaking news.
The drama continues at the snooker table now on BBC Two. Here's Steve Davis.